Good morning. Welcome back to the vlog. You're watching HQ BMW and my name is Jeff. So today's Hyundai day. Let's go up there and see what we're test driving. I don't even have a clue of the models or cars that they have. We're just gonna wing it this time, and I've told them my budget. I've told them about a 4-door, and they said that they were gonna pull aside some vehicles for me to test drive and see what I thought. So let's get over there and go see them. We're just gonna stop for a coffee first.
I'm so good at pretending.
Good morning, may I take your order, please?
Can I get a large regular coffee, please?
Large regular, that's everything?
That's all.
Maybe 2 10 next window, please.
Thank you. Morning. Thank you. Okay. We got our coffee. Let's head over and see the guys at Hyundai. Okay, we're here at Hyundai at Country Hills. Let's go and see the sales guys. So here we are sitting in the Hyundai Elantra. It's probably going to be one of the choices that we're looking at. I'll show you guys the dash and the interior. I have to say it's actually nicer styling than in the Civic, to be honest. It's about the same cloth seats, about the same room in the back, but I like the interior on this one a little better, to be honest. But the guy's working on trade value right now. I'm actually dealing with the floor manager. So far, it's been a pretty good experience. Brad, the guy that I was supposed to meet with, I guess he's not at work today. So, not sure what's going on there. But, yeah, we'll see what he can do. And we'll go from there. Okay, guys, we just got back from our test drive. So, I took out Hyundai Accent and a Hyundai Elantra. So I have to say I like the body styling of the Accent, which is right here. It reminds me of my Mazda 3 back before I got into BMWs. I like the styling of it. I like the hatch, and it's pretty functional. The Elantra, I have to say, drives much nicer. It's a bit of a bigger car, a little bit more power, and yeah, I do like the drivability of the Elantra. From a styling perspective, I like the Accent more. It's just a nicer looking car, but the Accent doesn't drive as nice. So we're gonna go inside, talk some numbers, see what we can do. Well, I just put a deposit down on a new Elantra, and now we're gonna hit the gong.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, go for it.
There we have it. Thanks to Calvin. Well, there she is. The new Daily Whip. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you guys are interested in getting a new Hyundai, make sure you come to Hyundai on Country Hills. Come see this man, Calvin.
How you doing?
He'll make sure he hooks you up. Just when you come here, mention my name, he'll take good care of you. I guess I got the rest of the week to do whatever I want. We did the paperwork in the finance office, and they're going to give me a call back sometime, probably today, and we will most likely get to pick the car up on Thursday, I think he said. So we're gonna see. Obviously no rush. I got the rest of the week off to do what I want to do. It is starting to get a bit nicer, so it is -6 degrees Celsius in Calgary, so now we can probably start doing some work on the F30. Yeah, that'd be a good plan for this week, to continue on working on that car, get it ready for the show season. We're just heading home now, and I've been texting with my wife about the whole purchase and everything as I've been going through with it. I gotta give a huge shout out to Calvin at the Hyundai dealership. He listened to me. He, give me options. He let me drive for as long as we wanted to drive and take it out. They listened to me. They listened to my budget. That's obviously a huge selling point for me. Because at the end of the day, I would still drive the E92 with no questions. I didn't have to sell this, and I wasn't really willing to buy another vehicle and make my payments higher. It doesn't make smart financial sense. So to be able to get into a 4-door car and not have to have higher payments, they're actually lower than the BMW, which is a positive thing, and a smart financial thing, and I feel like I made the adult choice. Did I have to go new? Probably not. The benefit with going new is that your interest rates, they are lower. But I hope you guys liked that, coming along with me. We're actually going to go back tomorrow at 1 o'clock, and my mother-in-law is also looking into a new vehicle. Her lease on her Ford Escape is just coming up, so I'm going to take her up there tomorrow, introduce her to Calvin, and see if they can work something out as well. So kind of exciting. It's been a good day. Kind of relieved to have that all taken care of. Now we just got the final paperwork, bank stuff. I'm gonna have to call the insurance company. I'll be curious to know if the insurance is gonna be lower on the Hyundai than it is the BMW. If you want to know, comment below and I'll let you guys know. We're just pulling up home now, so thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe below if you guys enjoyed today's video, and peace.